In front of me is iPad Air, first generation, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select screen time. If you are using it for the first time, just tap on continue and decide if it's your iPad or your kiddos. I will go with this first option. And as you can see right in front of you, you can check the time spent on screen today. So mark it here, and as you can see, I've been using just settings and only for 2 seconds. And if you'll be using your iPad more often, because it's the first day of usage in my case, you'll be able to see the general stats, and also all apps will be included here. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.